Now that's perfect. It's nice, it's relaxed, it's just kind of dangling in that position. You've got a palm down grip. Can you turn your hand so your palm faces forward? Like thumb up. Think of thumb up. There you go. Right, right there.
Okay.
Perfect. That's a neutral grip. That's kind of the ideal grip for the shoulder.
Okay.
And so you're just letting it dangle. We're creating a little bit of space in the glenohumeral joint, which is the joint of the shoulder itself. Now go ahead and turn to your left. Perfect. So this would be considered abduction, pulling it out to the side. Is that painful at all?
Yeah.
A little bit sore? Or?
A little sore, yeah.
Okay. A little bit of soreness is okay. Shouldn't progress, shouldn't get worse.
That's good.
We'll give that about 10 more seconds. And whether it's 20 reps or 20 seconds, it doesn't matter too much. And so now turn back toward me, so it's going to pull it across kind of in front of the belly button. And then same thing. Now what's nice about doing it with the pulleys is you have the handles, you can kind of relax the shoulder, loose grip on there. If that was a bird in your hand, you're holding the bird, but you're not crushing the bird. That's the goal.
Got it.
Like a golf club.